Alright guys, so that was pretty sweet, right? So all of the footage that you guys had just seen was taken on the Canon 90D, which I had taken in 4K. And you guys can't see the Canon right now because I'm actually filming with it at the moment. Okay, wait, hold on. Here's the Canon 90D with the foldable screen, which has been such a game changer for me and for anyone that would enjoy a bit of vlogging with. So all of the footage that you guys had seen in this video was taken with a DJI Ronin S, which had been such a game changer for me, especially if you guys wanted those smooth flowing cinematic shots. Some of the shots that I had in the video were those really close up panning shots, as well as some of the shots where I had just been following my girlfriend who modeled for me in this video. Something that's really nice about the foldable screen on the Canon is that I'm able to bring my gimbal and hold it upside down like this, and I'm able to follow with the screen pointing up. With the screen pointing up at me, I can actually see what I'm shooting when my gimbal is so low to the ground, and I'm able to get those epic shots. The 4K footage mixed with Canon's vibrant colors is just unmatched, and I'm so happy to see that Canon made these changes with the 90D as opposed to the lower models that they had created. If you guys want to know more about the lens that I had used in creating this video, here was the lens that I used. It was a Sigma 17 to 70 millimeter. I'm gonna include a link for that in the description as well. And this allowed me to zoom in and get some of those really up close epic shots. And if you guys are really into slow-mo, the Canon 90D does pack about 120 frames per second when you enable its high frame rate, which just looks so epic. If you guys did want to buy any of the equipment or products showed in this video, I'm going to include links for those in the description. Those are Amazon products, and I would get a small commission for that, but they're usually the cheapest online. And yeah, I'd appreciate the support because let's be honest, I'm traveling and I don't have that much money. The Canon 90D does take some of the most crisp and beautiful 4K cinematic footage, which I can't get enough of, so I'm really pumped on having that as a part of my toolkit. We've been stuck in the Fiji Islands the past 5 months, and now we're trying to make a move on an undisclosed location, which you guys will see in some of my upcoming videos. If you guys did want to subscribe and hit the notification bell, then you won't miss out on any of my upcoming travel videos, which would be sick. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!